Welcome to my channel. Are you at all stressed about OChem or know someone who's going to take organic chemistry and is stressing out? I am here to help. My name is Dr. Miles. I not only have taken organic chemistry as an undergrad, got a PhD in it, well, master's, PhD, worked in the pharmaceutical company for a year. I also taught large lecture classes at a top 10 university in chemistry. And I am here to help with OChem because I made so many mistakes. I thought you had to memorize organic chemistry, and that's totally not the way to do it. I wasted a lot of time, and I had to go back and relearn it. And when I relearned it, I realized that organic chemistry is actually this beautiful science, kind of an art too, with all those arrows and drawings, right? There's a reason behind everything in organic chemistry. And if you start to understand the why, it becomes this like fun puzzle. Now, you might think I'm crazy that I love organic chemistry this much, but that's a good thing because that means that you are a little more normal than me. But more importantly, the key with organic chemistry is not necessarily learning all of the OChem and memorizing it for your career. No, organic chemistry is this process of learning that you've never been asked to do before. Never in any of your previous science courses have you been asked to really understand a brand new language and apply it to new problems. This is why organic chemistry is not only very difficult, but it's also really exciting. It's a chance in your learning career that you get to learn something and be challenged in a way you've never been challenged. I'm here to meet you on your level and to remind you that OChem, yes, it's tough, and yes, you can absolutely do it. We just need to understand why. And once we get into that zone and you really believe that I can understand this, it's just maybe will take me some time. If you get into that mindset, I guarantee you will find success in organic chemistry and you won't have to stress so much. Why are we stressing so much, right? We don't need to. I don't want you to stress like I did, okay? I stressed a lot, okay? So again, my name is Dr. Miles. I'm here to help you. In the description below, I want you to see what I have for you, okay? I've got a free guide of the 9 most common mistakes that people make on their OChem exams, okay? 2, if you or you know someone who's taking organic chemistry, please share this with them, okay? I have more resources also in the description box. Also, if you are at all worried about OChem, like I was, I want you to make a comment below. What are you most worried about? What are topics that you are most confused about? Or just in general, what's going on in your head about organic chemistry? Look, I'm here to help. I'm so happy that you're here on this channel. Let's tackle some organic chemistry. And I'll see you in the next video.